Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply create your Dogecoin wallet. Our first step being that you open up your browser, and once at your browser, you simply input this address I'm going to show you, the link I just copied. The link is going to be in the description of the video. So we're on dogecoin.com and we're going to be looking for a wallet for Androids. So our next step is to select one of these wallets to be used to store our Dogecoin. So once you click on download, you click on Android, you're taken to exodus.com, you click on get it on Google Play, and you click on install. You give it some time to install the application, but take note that once it's done with installation, we'll be able to store all of our cryptocurrencies concerning Dogecoin and more on this wallet. Click on open, and the Exodus app is being opened up. Okay, manage your buy, swap, and sell, collect NFTs. Okay, self custody, support 247 support, and welcome to Exodus. Okay, we're creating a new wallet right now. And once the app loads up completely and loads up your crypto wallet, you simply search for your Dogecoin and you click on Doge, and then you give it some time to load in your Doge address. By simply having a Doge address, you have created a wallet for yourself. This Doge address is also your receiving address for your Dogecoin, and your Dogecoin can be stored here. So guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can create a wallet to store your Dogecoin on your Android, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.